Hi, Miss M7154. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, ma'am, sir. Good day. I am Aileen Martinez. I am 42 years old. I have son, two boys, 15 years old and 12 years old. I am Catholic. I have a living partner, and I'm graduating high school. I have experience on Saudi Arabia. Family, five firm members, and two kids. Are responsible the cooking, washing, flat ironing, and also to take care of the two babies. Thank you and good day.
Okay, you have two different experiences as a helper in Saudi, right?
Yes.
Which is in your first employer was four members of the family, including the couple and their two children. Then your second employer, your first employer was six members. Then four members on the last employer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, on the six members of the family, your main duty as a helper was doing all the household chores also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so since you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, which is 0 months old until 2 years old, and 1 year old to a 3 year old child on your second employer, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a baby again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
Uh, to take to check the temperature and eating food and make milk and check the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry after you did your very best, what will you do?
Attention to call the parents.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work to Hong Kong, high salary and safe country.
Okay, and how long do you prepare to work in Hong Kong?
2 years and more than depends on my employer.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn how to cook the Chinese food.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I see the watching the YouTube and telephone.
Okay, and you could also buy some recipe books so that you could learn, and also you can ask your employer if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes,
Okay, if your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat?
yes,
It is okay to you to share job with a helper?
yes,
How about cutting your hair into short?
yes. I'm okay.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes,
Can you promise not to use cell phone while working?
yes,
It is okay to you to learn their language?
yes,
Can you promise not to use cell phone while working?
yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your dearest employer?
Um, my message to my employer to hire me, and I promise I take care all the family and are responsible and trustworthy with me.
Can you promise to also to be honest?
Yes,
Can you promise also to take good care of their children as your own?
yes,
Can you follow the rules and regulations?
yes,
And can you also respect their family traditions and culture?
yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Eileen. Thank you.
Have a nice day. Thank you, sir.